Today we will be installing a new CarPlay screen in this 2012 Fiat 500. This is a touchscreen wireless upgrade that fits Fiat 500 between 2008 and 2015. Your order will include a screen with the color of your choice, a power cable, an antenna adapter, and optional USB cables. You can ignore the rest of the wires, as they won't be required for the installation. Start by removing the 4 removable buttons. Carefully insert the extraction release keys to remove the original radio. Please ensure they are all the way in. Push sideways and firmly pull towards you. Gently take out the radio. First, disconnect the antenna. Then start disconnecting the power plug. The power plug is split into 2 sections. Start with the top portion. For the bottom portion, we will be using one of the removal keys to ease the process. Push down and pull the radio. We will now proceed with the vents. Unscrew these 2 screws. Be careful, as they are easy to lose. Pull vents out just as shown. Please rest assured that this does not affect the function of the vents. To ease the installation, we will remove the radio metal cage. Start by unscrewing this large bolt screw. We used an extension to ease the process. Unscrew the small screw on both sides of the metal cage. Go ahead and remove the radio metal cage. Removing the radio cage is optional, but we highly recommend it as there is limited space for the wires. Let's connect the power plug. Ensure the CAN bus box is attached. Attach power plug. Ensure there is no partial connections. Attach antenna adapter. Now we can connect the screen. In this instance, we have also included an optional USB cable, which has been guided behind the dashboard just as shown. Let's start with the power plug. Connect the larger attachment. Then connect the smaller attachment. This is a 4-pin connection that should be matched to its connection point just as shown. Connect antenna. Connect USB cable. Let us now push in the radio. Please make sure that no cables are tangled up or in the way of the vents. Use your hands to push down the wires if needs be. The screen is facing downwards and will be safely in place while driving. Turn ignition on. The screen should turn on. You will be met with this home page. Scroll down from the top to increase the brightness just as shown. You can also switch between dark and light mode. The reboot button is also located here. Let's now activate wireless CarPlay. To connect your phone, scroll down from the top and press Bluetooth. Connect to the screen via your phone's Bluetooth. Once connected, head to the home page and press the app named C-Link. While the CarPlay is loading, head to the settings. Change driver position according to your country. More importantly, set background connection to on. This will mean the screen will automatically switch to CarPlay once it connects to your phone. Accept the CarPlay prompt on your phone. CarPlay. All compatible apps on your phone will be automatically mirrored onto the screen. These include all music apps, maps, podcast, and many more. Sound working perfectly. The unit is also connected to the car's ignition, meaning it will not cause any battery drain. As you can see, turn engine off and the system shuts down. Finally, if your car does not have a reverse camera and want to get rid of the no signal screen, head to the home page, Settings, More, Reverse, and turn off reverse function. Now you will have no issues when you put your car in reverse. Thank you so much for watching. This and many more CarPlay systems available through carsoza.com. 1-year warranty. International shipping available.